School. I don't even know how to start these. Oh man. Whew. Okay. Let's do. Hey YouTube. What's up, Wildcats? Oh my word. This is video number 2 of just my journey to doing school and work and whatnot. Anyways, I don't really have much to talk about when it comes to regular stuff, when it comes to schooling and the application process so far. I'm finding out a lot of these beginning parts are you're waiting to hear back from a lot of people, to be honest, but a bunch of it is on you. It's just finding applications for schooling. It's filling out. Did you know you had to do essays for scholarships? I mean, I got to write an essay on who I am, and like, who I would have never thought that applying for school would have included, you know. So tell me about yourself. Well, where were you born? I was born. How much do your parents make? I had no idea that all of these things really play a part into scholarship applications. Winging it. Anyways, this week has been good. It's been a lot of work. It's been actual work, not just on the school front. The 16-hour days are real. If you're starting school later on in life, or you got an actual life that you've been building for the past couple of years and you're just wanting to jump back into school, 16-hour days are the name of the game. I'm starting to realize you can cut it and you can live, hopefully, you can live with 8 hours a day, 40 hours a week. But we're kind of looking for more with this channel. We're trying to get out of the usual slump. If I gotta start working these 16, 17-hour days overtime, I'm gonna go in for one tonight, actually. So where I'm at right now is they placed me in certain things for English and math. But for math, I have to take an Accuplacer, placement test. A test to tell you placement. It's a test to tell you how smart numbers 2 plus 2 equals. It's literally nothing to be afraid of. I've taken it once before for something else, but it's just a test really to just tell you how much you understand, what you remember, and I don't remember much. To be honest with you, a tip that I was given that's helped out a lot is it says study what you've already known and then try to buff up your mind on what you might remember. Just don't be thinking that you're going to jump into this, and you'd never want to just sign up for a course that you're not ready for because you'd never learn anything. I started doing Kahn Academy. I thought I'd shoot for Algebra 2. There was a lot of stuff that I didn't remember, and it was going to cover a lot of Algebra 1. And that's when I started turning out in school. When they started, x equals y equals z squared over the fraction of 2. Letters belong in the alphabet. What are they doing in my math, alright? Don't even get me started on graphs. I'm going to have to buy a calculator, probably. I remember the cool calculators you could download games on, and that's all I remember. Meanwhile, there's these super smart kids over here that actually know what, the syntax buttons on the calculator do. I had no idea what was going on in school half the time, so I'm starting off in the Algebra 2 area. It kind of got discouraging, to be honest, for a little bit. I looked up at the top of the YouTube video, and there's kids in 7th grade learning this stuff, yo. Jeez. It was a really humbling moment, but you got to start somewhere. I had an opportunity, and I could either be down on myself, or I could say just what I said. You got to start somewhere. There's no shame in learning more, no matter what you're learning or how much of it you're learning. If you have a goal to just be yourself and just better yourself through knowledge, who is going to put you down for learning more? So I say get after it. I'm going to learn the heck out of this 7th grade math. And then I'm going to go to college and they're going to teach me more. So that's that. That's really it when it comes to school. I'm studying for the placement test. And then after the placement test, I'm going to meet with an academic advisor and they're going to tell me a good school schedule. And then we have the good, fun idea of how to pay for all of this. So that'll be next time. So this video is more of the who, what, where, when, why, as much as I can answer about myself. Who, my name is Austin. 28. What is I want to go to school? I want to change the world through psychology and motivational speaking. I see all these speakers and these people that are motivating people to do it, and I thought, yeah, I would like to change the world for the better. I want to get after it. Where? Utah. So when? Starting this 2021 and on. I don't know exactly how many years of school everything's going to take. It's going to take a bit probably. Why? You know, there's a big need in the world and someone's got to do it and help at least one person out. And if that's the case through this YouTube channel or if it's through someone I meet in my career, it's all worth it. It's all about doing what makes you fulfilled. If you are fulfilled with helping other people like me, I encourage you to go for it. Yeah, just get after it. Anyways, we'll see you guys next week. It's been a really good one. And I'll return a report next week and let you guys know what math I placed into. We'll see you guys later.